Hey, I just wanted to make a quick video. Um, ChatGPT has made a lot of changes as far as art prompting, and as somebody who sells a lot of prompt guides, many of those were made using the DALLE model in ChatGPT. So now, when you run the prompts in the new default 4.0 model in ChatGPT, the images are not coming out the same. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So let's go to, this is my mega prompt guide. So I'm just going to pick one of the prompt guides. These images were made in ChatGPT DALL-E, right? So we're going to choose an image, right? And then we're going to copy the prompt. And we're going to go over to ChatGPT. And I'm going to go to just the default 4.0. And I'm going to click Create Image. And then I'm going to put in the prompt. Right? This is this colorfulness is a add-on, a Chrome add-on. Don't worry about that. All right. So we're gonna wait for the image to populate. And pros and cons. There's a lot of debate and conversation around uh, this new style of art render, right? Um, and I'm I'm on the fence because sometimes you want ChatGPT art prompts to deliver exactly what you say, right? But in this new case, you have to be really careful of what your art style words is because this says extremely detailed oil painting in chibi style of African, and it's giving you literally oil painting style. Now, this is a great image. It is mute. The colors are muted. There's this, this beige overtone that is over all of the new images. So a lot of people don't like that. They complain. We are complaining because I am one that the images are not as vibrant. So this is what we got, right? Now, if you want to still, uh, let's look at the difference. This is what the prompt rendered in DALL-E, and this is what the prompt is rendering now in 4.0. So if you want to continue to get images in the DALL-E style, now you'll look. It's not listed here. Well, it is because I've pinned it to the sidebar. But if you want to find the DALL-E model, you have to go to Explore GPTs, and then if you look in the GPTs by ChatGPT, you'll see the DALL-E, and then you can click on it, and you can save it in your sidebar. It'll give you the option, but I've already done it, so it's not giving me the option. So since I've already saved DALL-E in my sidebar, so here it is. So now I'm going to enter the same prompt again. Let's see what I get. And while it's going through these changes, I get this a lot. You're giving feedback on a new version of ChatGPT, and that's fine. It just gives you options. But see, these images are. I think I like these better. So these images are more similar to what is offered in the prompt guide. So don't think that your prompt guides that you have can't still render the same images, because they can. You just have to make sure that you're um, using the DALLE GPT and ChatGPT. And that's it. For those who have created GPTs in in ChatGPT, I've created probably 2 GPTs. So this doesn't really affect me as much, but for those who are GPT creators and sellers, um, the 4.0 is now the default model, and I don't think you can put it into the ChatGPT instructions that you want to use the DALL-E model, but um, I've heard that people are taking the prompts from the images that are rendered and then running them in DALL-E. So it's still just one extra, you just got to do an extra step to get the results that you had before with those who already have GPTs. So this was just a little quick demonstration. And I'm going to actually add this video to my prompt guide bundle. And yeah, I'm going to add it to my prompt guide bundle so those who have already purchased it have a little instruction on how to keep the images consistent with what's in the prompt guides. I hope this helped, and I'll holler at y'all.